Hello and welcome to the Washington State Housing Finance Commission's How-To Guide for making a reservation in LenderOnline. The LenderOnline portal must be accessed using your Internet Explorer web browser. There's also a link to this portal on the Commission's website. If this is your first time accessing the system, you'll need to request a username and password using the online user request form that can be found on our website. If you need assistance with your existing logins, please email HomeDocs. Once you have logged into LenderOnline, navigate to the New Reservations tab. From there, you can search for the program that best fits your borrower's needs. If you need to check interest rates, choose the bulletin board link towards the top right side of the screen. You will be taken to the Commission's website where we post the most up-to-date rate options. Once you've selected your first mortgage program, you will be prompted to choose your second mortgage program. Select the radio dial next to the program you wish to use, and then select the button towards the bottom of the screen that reads Continue with Additional Mortgages. If you're using our first mortgage program without down payment assistance, choose the button towards the top of the screen that reads Continue Without Additional Mortgages. Enter the borrower's loan information. You will only need to complete the fields marked with an asterisk. You can skip over all other fields that are not marked. Once all of the required loan information has been entered, click the Submit button at the bottom of the web page to complete your lock. Once the loan has been submitted, the system will prompt you with a message letting you know the loan is now reserved. You will want to print or save a copy of this PDF lock confirmation for your own records. Check with your corporate office before reserving for internal overlays. Your loan should be approved by your underwriting team before reservation with the Commission. Reserve as late in the process as possible to avoid extension fees. All borrowers on the note and deed of trust must attend homebuyer education prior to reserving funds. Check program guidelines before reservation. Once you reserve, you cannot switch from Home Advantage to House Key Opportunity. If you have any questions, please reach out to us via phone or email. We are happy to assist. Thank you for your partnership with the Washington State Housing Finance Commission.